Today's tasty menu choice is a vegan delicacy, which is sweet potato and peanut curry. So let's get cooking. Step 1, melt some coconut oil into a saucepan over a medium heat and soften 1 chopped onion for 5 minutes. Add 2 grated garlic cloves and a grated thumb-sized piece of ginger and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 3 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste, 1 tablespoon of smooth peanut butter. Next, grab 500 grams of sweet potato, peel and cut into chunks, and then add 400 milliliters of coconut milk and 200 milliliters of water. Bring to the boil and turn down the heat and simmer uncovered for 25 to 30 minutes until sweet potato is soft. Next, stir through 200 grams of spinach and the juice of 1 lime and season well. Serve with cooked rice, and if you want some crunch, sprinkle over a few dried roasted peanuts. And there you have it, sweet potato peanut curry. If you've enjoyed this recipe, remember to subscribe to my channel, Philip Gale's Cooking Recipes, and until next time, bye for now.